Hello. How's it going? Hello. Hello. Yay. Yeah. Hello. High five. Hi. Hi. So we're at the coffee process house in Alsasaki. So if you want to learn how to make coffee the traditional way, visit this place in Tetebatu.
Tetebatu.
Cacao.
Okay, so this is dried cacao.
Yeah. Kopi.
And coffee.
And rice.
Yeah, rice. Udah.
Okay. So first I think they're cooking the rice. Cocoa and rice. Go on, Apple, you go mix. So now they've mixed cocoa and plain rice grains.
I think I've picked up the technique.
And now she's added coffee beans. Coffee beans.
Coffee beans.
So you've got cacao, rice and coffee beans. And they're just roasting it. So they roast it for about 15 minutes?
Yeah, almost 20.
Almost 20 minutes, okay. You can really smell the aroma from those coffee beans. Make it look so easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Over there dropping bean by bean. Wow.
It's not hot.
It's not hot. He's okay with it.
He doesn't.
This? Eat it? This is cacao.
I will eat it.
It's good? Now there's ground in it.
Getting muscles out. Finished. Finished. Big pasta la motor, isn't it?
So after the grounding's finished, they're sieving the coffee beans.
Yeah.
So they mix it with rice as well. Why do they mix it with rice?
Make less strong.
Less strong. Okay. Is it tiring?
No, it's not enjoyable actually. In a weird way. I bet my hands will be hurting after.
We'd just get this and put it into a blender.
Yeah.
Then it will just blend it. Electric. Zzz, done.
Within seconds.
Yeah, within seconds.
Sampai rasa Rubin. Oh,
Just into the here.
ada selada.
They make it look easy. It's not easy.
Yeah, that's fresh ground coffee, fresh coffee beans, fresh cacao and fresh rice. The rice from the field, the cacao from the tree and the coffee from the plant, all in the back garden. Bye-bye Nescafe. Whoa, what have you made here? You made a fire. Look, he's a fire professional.
He's trying.
No, it's going. It's going. God. God. This is our fresh coffee that was grounded by
Me and the ladies.
and the ladies. Doesn't get any fresher than this. Yeah, smell it.
Does it smell like
We've just literally, they've just plucked everything today from the tree. The cacao, the coffee beans and the rice. And they've just pestle and mortar, a big version, pestle and mortar.
yeah.
Homemade coffee.
Send that back home in your box.